Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can deactivate your Instagram account. So with the help of an application, you'll not be able to deactivate it. So what you need to do is, in order to begin with, check your internet connection, open up a web browser of your choice. In and on the web address bar, type in instagram.login.com. Make sure that you're already logged into your account. So in my case, I'm already logged in. So then to begin with, go to your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. It's going to take you to the profile page. So over here, go ahead and tap on the edit profile button underneath your profile ID. After that, it's going to take you to the profile information page. Scroll down to the bottom, and right at the bottom you'll be able to see an option as temporarily deactivate my account. So click on the link, and if you're sure about it, then you'll need to select the reason for deactivating your account. Tap on the arrow icon, select the reason, type in the password associated with your account, and click on the temporary deactivate my account. As soon as you've done that, you'll be receiving a statement through an SMS or an email stating that the account has been successfully deactivated, and your account will be deactivated for 30 days, but after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. So in order to reactivate your account, you must log in within 30 days, otherwise your account will be deleted permanently. In this way, you can deactivate your Instagram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.